Listen up, folks. Yesterday in Munich, BMW just pulled off the most legendary resurrection in automotive history. Forget that plastic i3 lunchbox that used to buzz around town. The 2026 BMW i3 sedan Neue Klasse is a total tech beast. I call it the range anxiety killer. The headline, the one that's got the internet losing its collective mind? 560 miles. You heard that right, 560 miles on a single charge. That means you could drive from San Francisco to San Diego without even glancing at a charging map. This isn't just an EV, it's a middle finger delivered straight to the doorsteps of Texas and Guangzhou. Don't start calling me a shill in the comments just yet. Hit that subscribe button and I'll break down exactly why the Germans are betting the farm on this 560-mile monster. Step inside and BMW has officially sent that old curved display to the retirement home. Welcome to BMW Panoramic Vision. It's a massive head-up display running across the entire base of the windshield, pillar to pillar. It's brilliant because the info stays low enough not to block your view. But be careful, the screen is so sharp that if you're sneaking out and a text saying "I miss you" pops up on the glass, the wife in the passenger seat will read it before you can even blink. Modern tech is the enemy of privacy, people. And here's the money feature, the heart of joy supercomputer. BMW doesn't call it an ECU, they call it a heart. It processes data 10 times faster than previous systems. From throttle to brakes to suspension, everything is coordinated smoother than a group of suburban moms at a Starbucks drive-thru. It's so smart that before you even think about turning, the car has already prepped the chassis for a perfect corner. Looking at the 2026 i3 head-on, I'm convinced BMW's design team just had a massive internal cleansing. They finally binned those hideous, oversized nostril grills and brought back the classic shark nose look from the 70s. It's masculine, it's aggressive, it's proper BMW. The kidney grille is horizontal now, wrapping around the LED headlights. It's not just a vent, it's a digital screen that speaks with light. The entire body is so smooth, I bet if a fly tried to land on the hood, it'd slide right off and break its neck. That ultra-low drag coefficient is the only reason this thing can hit that insane 560-mile range. Some purists will moan, it's lost its soul. Give me a break. This design is like your ex suddenly hitting the gym, getting a sharp fade and wearing a tailored suit. It looks a bit different, but let's be real, it's freaking irresistible. Back to that 560-mile range and the charging. The 2026 i3 uses an 800-volt system and Gen 6 cylindrical batteries. The result? 250 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Imagine this. You pull into a rest stop, hit the bathroom, wash your hands, and grab a beef jerky. By the time you're back, the car says, "All right, boss, let's do another 250 miles." This 400 kilowatt charging speed is so fast, I'm wondering if BMW has a secret deal with NASA. 10 minutes for 250 miles? That's less time than it takes a Florida man to make the local news. The best part is the cell-to-pack battery, integrated directly into the frame. It's stiff, it's low, and it handles like a race car, but rides as smooth as a Rolls-Royce. I'm guessing, at least. It's not like I've actually been in a Rolls. Here's the cold, hard truth. BMW confirmed the i4 is officially retiring after 2026 to make room for this i3 sedan. My condolences to anyone who just dropped $60K on an i4 last year. Your car just became a tech fossil. The i3 Neue Klasse is superior in every way. Wider, 30% faster charging, and infinitely smarter. Why is BMW being so ruthless? Because they know if they don't kill themselves, the competition will do it for them. The i3 2026 is a statement. Tesla, China, pay attention. This is how the Germans redefine the electric car. Conclusion. So, should you pull the trigger? In short, the 2026 i3 is for the person who wants speed without the faff, tech without the clutter, and wants to slap anyone who says EVs are soulless. 10 minutes charging, 560 miles of range, and a heart of joy. It's a massive power move to snatch the crown back from the Tesla Model 3. Buy a BMW i3 2026 and the only thing you'll worry about isn't running out of juice. It's explaining to your wife why a 10-minute bathroom break gave you enough charge to drive another 250 miles. She won't believe the 800-volt tech. She'll just think you've got a secret second family at the charging station. What do you think of this superstar? Is 560 miles enough to make you forget the eye-watering price tag? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and share this with that friend who's about to buy an i4 so he knows how brutal the future is. Peace out and keep it charged.